Hi, this is Marty Hazel, and today I want to talk to you about the importance of trust in leadership. A leader's ability to inspire and motivate employees is based on trust, a key component of successful working relationships between leaders and followers. Building and maintaining trust as a leader and throughout your workforce is an ongoing process. When trust is strong, employees thrive, and so does the business. Trust forms the basis for effective working relationships, communication, employee retention and motivation, and a higher producing workforce. In fact, a Harvard Business Review study found that employees working in high trust environments report 74% less stress, 50% higher productivity, 76% more engagement, and 70% more alignment with their company's purpose compared to employees in low trust environments. As Brian Tracy says, the glue that holds all relationships together, including the relationship between the leader and the led, is trust, and trust is based on integrity. But when trust is broken, issues become more complex, differences of opinion become more contentious, and workplace relationships become strained, and productivity slows down. As a leader of your organization, it's essential that you establish trust with your workforce, but it doesn't come with your title. Trustful workplace relationships are built and maintained by many small actions repeated over time. So how do leaders build and maintain their team's trust? And how do you get it back if you've lost it? 3 behaviors are essential. The first is to create positive relationships on your team. There are a number of ways to do this. Most importantly, and just like any relationship, communication is the key. Communicate with them regularly and in a timely manner. Ask for their opinions and advice. Respectfully listen to them and give them honest feedback. Show your concern for their health and well-being. The second behavior is to demonstrate competency. People are more likely to trust you if they believe you have technical know-how and the experience to make good decisions about the team's work. And lastly, your behavior must be consistent. You must do what you say you will do, follow through on your commitments, and keep your promises. You don't need to be perfect, but these 3 behaviors must be practiced to be a trusted leader. Now, I'd like to recommend that you watch the brief Harvard ManageMentor video at the following link titled 4 Characteristics of Trustworthy Managers. Thank you.